Hey everyone, today we're going to take a look at the stamp card or punch card, whichever terminology you would like to use. We have made some significant updates and upgrades to the user interface, but I'll start here in the back office. I've set up a few stamp cards already, and if you hit the add new button, this is what you'll see. Over here, you've got the ability to enter the name of the stamp card. This is important, how many stamps before you get your free reward. The images for the punched stamps and the non-punched, you can see here, the image sizes are right here. So this just gives you the ability to really customize the look and feel of it. You have the ability to add a header image as well as a logo image. You have the ability to change the language on the screen, actually, promotion, history, or information, and I'll show you that inside the app in a second. The redeem button can also be changed, the label can be changed. And then obviously you have the ability to change the color scheme as you see here. You have two options as far as redemption. You can either choose a password or a QR code. I'm going to show you how the QR code works. And then over here you have the ability to let how many hours, before you're able to stamp a card a second time. So if someone comes in on Monday at 10 a.m. And you put 24 hours in here, then they wouldn't be able to get another stamp until Tuesday at 10 a.m. So this is manageable. Redeem limit basically means how many times can one card be validated or stamped, and customers claim their reward. And then you've got some language here that you'll see in a second when we look at the app and the card on the phone. So here's my phone. We'll take a look at what the card looks like in the device, and you can see how aesthetically pleasing this is. It's a really nice user interface. And here's where, let's go look at the background here. Okay, so here's the language that we had: promotion, history, and information. History basically is a history of all the times you've redeemed your card. Information is the text that you put down here. Okay, and then the promotion is actually the card where you stamp your card. And then right here, this is the header image and this is the logo image. So you have the ability to enter something here or not. Okay, so now let's take a look at the redemption process. I'm going to pull up the QR code for this. Going back here, and I will actually use my phone to redeem the card. One other thing, when I click the stamp over here, if I click the one of these empty stamps, this screen pops up, and you have the ability to enter how many stamps you want to get. For busier locations, they don't want to have to stamp the card 4, 5, 6 times if you're buying 4, 5, 6 drinks or whatever. So you have the ability to change the number here, and I'll just do this for this demonstration purposes. I'll put 2, and then I'll hit the scan button. Let me move this out of the way a little bit. Hit scan, and then my QR code pops up, and I get my card stamped, and it's going to pop out in a second. So you'll see my card has now been stamped. You can see that. Okay, and then you click the redeem button, and again, scan the QR code to redeem the card, and it will reset the card back to 0. Okay, so that's, go back here so now you can see all my stamps have been taken away, and the redemption has come in on the redemption screen here. So that's what it looks like in the app and the back office. And yeah, pretty easy to use, pretty easy to set up. And as usual, if there's any feedback, please do not hesitate to reach out. Yeah, and one more thing before I let you go off this video. We have a couple of other tabs up here that you can see, the employee tab and the view report tab. So basically what this is used for is to allow you to set up employees with their own codes. You can't use the QR scanner for this. You have to go into your card and disable the QR scanner, okay? Because you need to use a password. This is used so that you can monitor your employees. You can give each employee their own password, and then you can see how many times did John stamp a card, how many cards were redeemed with John, and so forth. So you'd first go to your employees, you would add an employee name and email address, and then whatever passcode there is. So I'm already here. You can just see, I'll just edit that. I put my name, my email address, and this is my password to enter so I can stamp a card, okay? Go back to the screen here, and then you'll see now, for example, I'll click on the report today and see what it's at now. Okay, so as of today, I'm using the free jeans as an example. I will select myself. This is giving you a total history of all the cards, but I'm going to select myself. And as of right now, I've got 2 punches that I've stamped. Okay, I click detail, and I can see who I stamped. I stamped myself, so that's what it's going to show. And then I'm going to go back here and I'm going to show you, I'm going to enter my own password, 812. Okay. Excuse me. And you can see I've got two stamps right now. When I click on one of the unpunched cards here, I will click, it comes up, I will hit next. Now I've entered my code, A12, hit submit, and boom, my card is stamped. And when I come back here, if I go to report, and I select my name, there we are. You can also do it if you just want one of the cards, but I'm going to show you all. So here, and you can see now I've issued this. This person has issued 3 stamps, stamped three times on a card. And then if you would want to see the detail, you can see the detail again. Again, same person, now gone to 3. So it gives you a good way to make sure that there's no funny business going on with your cards. If buddies come in of your staff and they want to stamp a card an extra couple times, when they have only their password, you can now monitor that. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, as usual, please don't hesitate to reach out. One more thing before we go is if you see this link right here underneath the description of the card, it's automatic emails that you can set up to go out to your users. So I'm just going to click on this and you'll see what I'm talking about. And yours will probably be blank, so you'd have to add it. But I've already got one set up here, so I'm just going to show you what it looks like. This allows you to get put a subject title in, who it's coming from, the email it's coming from, and then some text here. I got to fix this. That's an image. You can put a logo there. I'm going to just fix that. Okay, fix that. Fix the language here as well. So basically, it says this field here basically tells the system when to send this email. When any person has received 8 punches, they will get this email sent out to them. Okay, that's basically what it enables you to basically keep your business in front of your customers all the time. So this is something that's automatic. You set it up once, and once it's done, and you don't have to worry about it again. I'll take a quick look at what this looks like inside the emails. So this is the stamp card emails. I got stamped, blah, blah, blah. Thanks for shopping. Your card's been stamped. And then you've got a review email as well. So every time you get a reward inside the app, you can set it up so that you are sending out a request for a review. Okay. Actually, I'm going to quickly check this. The email here is not this email. This email is an automatic email, like I said earlier, that once you hit 8 stamps punched, you will get this email. The email that you're seeing here now is in the automatic emails under the campaigns. Automatic email, and then you'll see where is it? Stamp punched. So this email is what you get every time your card is stamped. Okay, you can set it up. You don't have to turn it on or not, but you can see it's exactly what we've got here. All right, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions or suggestions, please don't hesitate to reach out.